Adam Shafran from Flying Fox Fruits, here with Austin Barnhill from Barnhill Farms and Nursery.
Up?
Yes.
Hey guys.
There he is. And I'm excited. I know he's excited too, because you got one in the mail coming.
I'm waiting for mine. I'm ready to cut this thing open.
I just got my scythe in the mail from SCYTHE.com. I was recommended this company by Green Dreams, Pete Canaris, my good friend. Thank you, Pete. Excellent recommendation. And with all this going on with, like, I don't know if I'll be able to get my mower fixed or working on the mower. I don't want to have to rely on anybody else or gas or mowers. And I've got, Austin said, we've got wet spots where the mowers can't get when it gets wet. So here we go, unboxing the scythe from Scythe Supply. I'm really excited about this. You know, I just like it. It's cool, old school. I'm trying to go old school. I want to get a workout. I like it. It seems like I've seen the videos with Jim Klovasecki, and it seems like a really peaceful workout kind of thing. So there's some instructions, sales receipt. I'm curious what I paid. Like, I don't want my name on it or whatever. Let me see if I can see what I paid for it. So I paid, let's see what I got real quick. $248 was the cost, and this is what I got. I got a grass blade, medium grit stone, galvanized holder, peening jig. So they have a whole kit that I bought. Discount grass outfit, grass blade. So I got a special blade, and then there's the, should show you the whole rundown.
Stuff out of here, then we'll
Snap,
each individual thing.
Sharpening outfit. They sharpened it for me. Cost $7 to have them specially sharpen it. So this thing should come out like a razor sharp. Sorry. All right, back to this. Over there. This is all the kit coming out there, different parts. Nothing in here.
Oh, nice.
What's that? A bandana? I'm in the Scythe gang now. Watch out, y'all. That's my colors too.
My bandana.
Read that aloud.
My bandana for my hair to brightly tie the breeze. A bandana for my nose to definitely catch my sneeze. A bandana for my forehead to cool me as I mow. A bandana for my pocket for anywhere I go. A bandana for a song to start the sun. A bandana for a story when my bandana day is done.
So it's not just the Grim Reaper. They're wearing bandanas and cutting grass. Very cool. Scythe Supply. That was kind of cute. That's cool. Very cool. Very cool. The bandana is a gift during. Oh, I got you. It's like a like a
handkerchief to say.
Well, yeah,
Corona.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. I was holding the camera too low, but yeah, yeah, I get it now. That's cool. I got a free whatever you call it, Corona mask.
The scythe handle.
Wow, handmade. I think they said this is the European style.
Yes, European style.
Word. Let me stand back on that. Let's see. That's like a hockey puck, like Jason, right?
Yeah.
Wow, okay, they got that thing. Nice. Austin's already thinking I can make one of these.
I could.
I knew I was saying.
I will leave it to the professionals.
Yeah, but it would be fun to try to mess around maybe and see what you could come up with yourself if you're inclined to do that kind of thing. I know Austin turns wood. Let's see that. That's cool.
I'm interested in it.
It's got my name on it. It's got my measurements. I think I made it a little too short, but hey, as you get older you shrink, right? I want to use this for a long time. Wow, okay. Wow.
All right.
Hold that thing up real quick. Yeah, there it is. I see it. Yeah, right. Wow. Rex, watch out for that scythe. When I'm using it, you got to go inside or stand back. So I know you like to play with objects I'm swinging. You know, can you imagine him being out where using that? Bad idea. Is that thing made of brass?
No, it's just painted.
Oh, okay. See, leave it to professional, because I thought it was made of brass. Oh, and they got a little guard on it. Word. Ooh. They sharpened it. Whoa, I'm gonna graph with that. Look at that edge real quick. See if I can see the edge. Wow, okay. Nice. I wonder if it'll shave your arm. It kind of looks like it is.
Not quite shaving.
Not quite shaving, but it did take some skin off.
Yeah.
I saw some skin on the end. That's cool.
These blades are a lot more gnarly looking than I expected, but I guess they're handmade.
Is that the bush blade that I still got? Maybe that. I don't know. They said it's the grass blade. Maybe it's the bush. I don't know. Grass, bush. I'm happy to.
Sure.
Oh well, it doesn't matter.
Let's see what else is in here.
Happy to have it.
This is probably the sharpening stone holder. Yes, it is. Your stone holder, galvanized. Here you got a book.
On how not to cut yourself.
Tells you a little bit of
Oh,
everything.
word. I didn't realize they would send that. That's really cool. I'm going to be
That's very
sitting.
neat.
That's some toilet reading material there for me. I'll definitely read on that. Scythe book by David Tresimer. And what is that? The practical use of the scythe. Oh, really cool. Okay, sorry, Austin.
A thingamajig.
Okay, and what do you do with
Used
that?
to set peening jig and anvils.
I got you. Okay.
I guess you just beat it with it.
Oh, look, there's the supplies to plant soil. Peat moss, polytone. We use that a lot for planting.
This is your little peening jig, I believe it's called.
Yeah, peening jig. And that you can pound the edge and make it just right. It's like a mini anvil, self-contained. You mount it on a log. Cool. And there's two different, there's like a one side and a blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right? Two caps, yeah, yep. One's first. You work it down with the caps. And I saw videos, it looks pretty cool. I can't wait to use it and set it up. You gotta have like a log or a setup for it. I don't think we're gonna totally set it up. We're just kind of unboxing and seeing what's in it. This is gonna take a minute probably to set up. Probably need like a screwdriver or something like that.
These are all the handle pieces.
Oh, word, okay. See, he's much
We'll have to mess and look around on how all this goes.
He's much more inclined than me. I'm like kind of not adept at this, and Austin really is. So.
Says, please note your number 4 ring comes with 2 set screws. Take care of each of them. Replacements are difficult to source and not available through Scythe Supply. Should you lose a set screw, you will need to purchase a new number 4 ring, which costs $8.
Okay, I'll be all right. But they are trying to save you money and trouble.
Here's your Allen key deal.
Right, that's a tool we'll need. Allen key. Don't lose. So they're telling us, don't lose this, or you lose $8, and you have to pay shipping and blah blah blah.
I like that trick with the tape to make it easy to untape it.
Yeah, we're learning how to unpack and pack with these guys. It shows you really good packing materials and methods. This is a great company, Scythe Supply.
So this is the piece that attached to the end. It'll slide on in there.
Yeah, right. Then you mount your blade.
Yeah.
Cool. You think we should? Have we unboxed everything?
No.
No. Okay. There's one more item.
Oh wait, there's more.
Well, wait, there's more. I'm trying to get practice for when I film videos with Austin too, because I'm trying to get my skills down. You know, I used to do skateboarding, and I remember having to film for that, and this reminds me of it a little bit. You got to have the money shots.
There's your stone.
That's pretty cool, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
That is pretty neat.
I want to go surfing right now. Anybody, any surfers out there? Jeremy O can shout out. Anybody who's surfing out there? Mark Lee, what's up, buddy? I seen you in what's that movie? Pipe? No, it's not Pipe Dreams. I forget what it was called. But anyway, someone's gonna chew me out in the comments for not remembering that. What is that movie? Yeah, it seems like they barely sharpen it when they do it. Oh man, he's making me want to learn to do that. Oh, anyway. So is that the final unboxing?
That's it.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And we're here again, Austin Barnhill.
You have a good one.
Barnhill Farms and Nursery, Adam Shafran, Rex. Appreciate it. Thank you. SCYTHEsupply.com.